Hello everyone, my name is Nazia from GSSS Bajewala. I am welcome you in the session of EVC, that is English Booster Club. Dislike is feeling not like something or somebody. Today I am going to tell you the different words which can be used to say dislike expressions. Dislike, which is these are do not like, not a great fan of, disclined, distaste, displeased, not made about, not fond of. Now let's these words in sentences. My sister does not like cooking very much. I am not a great fan of football. Ruby is not fond of doing painting. Smear is not mad about sports as her brother. He was declined to help me. The teacher was displeased with him for being late. The lady looked with distaste on my shabby clothes. So these words which can be used to in the sentences. Thank you. Have a great day.